Next question. Thank you.
Hello, Dr. Sebi. My name is Portia. I'm over here. Thank you for being here today. I've learned so much from you. About a year ago, I started changing my diet habits before I even knew about the vitamins you provided and, eating electrical foods. I just started going more to the vegetarian or vegan lifestyle in general. But what I noticed was with my workouts, I would be lightheaded all the time. Now, I'll say that I didn't take your vitamins and probably wasn't really focused on electric foods, but I was definitely taking out meat and doing more veggies. But yet, I couldn't get the workout without feeling lightheaded. So I'm just wondering, as I move toward that again, like what are the things that I need to be digesting to make sure I have the energy I need and, the energy I need to get to a workout. And then secondly, in doing this new lifestyle, or changing my lifestyle, I should say, I'm also on birth control. And sometimes I wonder, is birth control counteractive to the positive changes I'm trying to make?
I would think so, because birth control is made up of chemicals and hormones. You don't want that. It confuses your endocrine system. It confuses your endocrine system. You don't want that. But the first question was what?
Oh, I would get lightheaded after my workout.
What was it? No, yeah, their energy. What you should take and what we all need is iron. Iron has been omitted from our diet for a very long time because the carbon level in our body is so high, it requires iron to keep it pulsating, to keep it energized. Like the bone needs calcium, the blood needs iron. But the iron I'm talking about is not a piece of the mineral. It's the plant that is fluorine or phosphate that is electrical. You need iron. You don't need any other but to energize the body. Thank you.